I look like crap.
No, you don't. It doesn't matter.
What's up, kid?
Nothing.
What's the matter?
I gotta tell you something.
Okay. Are you okay?
Mm-hmm. Well, I hope I will be.
Yeah.
I just hope it'll bring us closer together.
Okay.
Because we haven't been that close in a while.
Yeah.
Okay?
Yeah. Tell me.
You know how every time you call you ask if I have a girlfriend, right?
Yeah.
And I always say no.
Yeah.
Well, there's a reason for that.
Okay. You can tell me anything.
I'm gay, Trish.
Really? Look at me. Look at my face. I don't care.
Good.
Seriously, look at me. You're my brother.
I know.
You were born my brother. And I love you no matter what. I love you, kid.
I love you too. Don't tell mom and dad.
Okay.
I don't know. Maybe it's a bigger deal than I thought it would be, but...
Not with me.
Okay. Well, now you know. Just stop bugging me.
I'll stop bugging. Are you happy?
Getting there. I wanted to record that.
Since day one, kid. Since day one. And no matter what, you know?
Mm-hmm.
I just want you to be happy.
I will be.
I'm so happy you told me.
Well, did you ever have any guessing?
Yeah.
Yeah? Thought so.
Yeah. And I tried to tell you that.
When?
A couple of years, maybe 2 years ago, I tried to tell you that. If girls weren't your thing, you know, like...
I think I remember that. Carrie said the same thing too.
Yeah.
She said, well, if you like guys, I'm like, no, I like girls. But I don't. So, yeah, you know.
I'm so proud of you for telling me. I'm serious. Whatever you decide in your life.
I know. Good.
Don't think that anybody in this family is not going to accept it.
Well, I don't know about Dad. I know Mom will.
Yeah.
I hope. But,
When did you know?
well, I've known for a while.
Yeah. Like when you were a teenager?
Mm-hmm. I've been just, I was so depressed from after high school and in high school.
Mm-hmm.
Like really bad.
Mm-hmm.
So bad. But I gotta change stuff, so.
Yeah.
Yep.
And you gotta do what makes you happy.
I told Gage,
And?
my friend.
Yeah.
He's fine with it.
It's cool.
Yeah.
And it doesn't matter what you have to tell me in your life. I'm here.
I know. Jeez.
And I wish I was closer.
I know.
And they wheeled you out when I saw you.
I know. You freaking raised me, pretty much, so. Love you too. I wanted to wait till your last night, so in case you reacted badly.
I would never do that. I'm proud of you. I love you.
Love you too.
Okay.
Hey guys, So really can't believe I just did that. It went a lot easier than I thought it would. And I filmed it because when I was going through a very hard time, I turned to YouTube and I started watching all these coming up videos and seeing how everybody was being very supportive. And now I'm just trying to kind of give back, I guess, is what I'm trying to say. So thanks to to everybody who supported me through all this, and there's gonna be a lot more videos to come. So thanks guys, see you later.